Hi, I'm Carrie from Awake and Alive Empowerment. Welcome to this video. This is my wife Andy jumping out of a perfectly safe airplane on her 50th birthday. She took a great leap of faith, and we're going to go through what faith can do for you. We are going to be talking about letting go. Letting go of the outcome is a great answer to faith versus fear, which always produces a great opportunity. The next thing that happens after opportunity is that faith versus fear equals breakthrough. There's many open doors and windows that come from taking a leap of faith. And of course, after the breakthrough, there is a lot of fun. Let going of the outcome, faith versus fear equals a great time. So as you have a lot of fun, well, it's easy to get connected with people. So faith versus fear produces connection. And of course, result of connection is relationship. That leads to love. So letting go of the outcome can give us faith versus fear equals love. Now this love can also be for yourself, which is great. It'll help you be totally confident in going after adventures in your life. And that can be amazing. So faith versus fear is adventure. Letting go of the outcome. Wow, faith over fear can produce amazing miracles that we normally don't see because now we're living opened and there is an opportunity now to see these miracles. Well, like William Wallace screamed and yelled in the movie Braveheart, freedom! Yes, letting go of outcome, faith versus fear, brings us our freedom. Letting go of the outcome. It's the answer. Just to let go. Have faith over fear brings amazing victory. It helps you be awake, alive, and empowered again. Thank you for listening. Please check the email below if you would like to have all these things in your life, facing your fear with faith.